Hey guys, so first I'm gonna clean my face with these wipes, and I've also tied my hair back already. So since prone ako sa breakouts, I'm gonna moisturize my face beforehand. Don't forget about the lips. So here I am trying to dry my face pero wala siyang ambag. Then I'm going to be color correcting my face, lalo na yung mga redness ko dahil sa mga pimple marks ko kasi hindi naman ako clear-skinned. Then I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Pero hindi naman talaga siya branded na beauty blender. Basta sponge, yun na yun. Next is foundation TBH. Hindi ko sure kung tamang shade ba siya. Pero laging nag-change ng shade yung skin ko. Wala, share ko lang. So yun, I'm blending it out again with my sponge. Next is concealer. I use two concealers. Itong una ay for highlight, basically lightening. Tapos itong second, I use it to correct my pimple spots, marks. Ayan, 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 nakakainis. So after all that, medyo kalokalike ko na si Michael Jackson. And I set everything with translucent powder na super makalat. Okay, share ko lang na magbe-bake ako sa part na to, pero not really. Usually, when I do this, mas marami pang powder, pero since wala man ako pupuntahan, yan na lang. Then, I do my brows, which is something very painstakingly done. Sometimes they look good, sometimes they don't, and it's not up to me. They have a mind of their own. Okay, now kailangan na natin itama yung mga pagkakamali natin, and I'm doing that using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Okay, for the eyeshadow, we're gonna warm up the crease with just some light brown tones. Ayan, parang ganyan lang. Wipe-wipe lang. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang weird ko pala maghawak ng brush. Pero yun, share ko lang. Now, I'm going to be taking darker browns dun sa mismong outer edge ng crease and just blending it mostly inwards. Outer edge pero inwards. Okay lang yan, gets nyo naman. Okay, so yeah, nagpapakute ako kahit di naman ako cute, and then I'm taking a wine red color and just putting it all over the lid. So if the brown tones are above the crease and in the crease mismo, itong red below the crease. Something like that. So ayan, I'm just going to make sure everything is blended together, walang harsh separations or divisions between the colors. Now I'm taking that red burgundy maroonish color using an angled brush and just putting it under the lash line, the bottom lash line. Ayan, goods na. Tapos I'm darkening the very outer corner of the eye with some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring the black eyeshadow to my bottom lash line, which just smokes it out and it makes my eyes look bigger actually. Then I'm blending everything together again. Just making sure it's all blended. Yak, ang ginawa ko. Anyway, I'm taking this shimmery gold color, just putting it in the middle of my lid and blending it out. And I'm also highlighting my brow bone and inner eye corner with a white glittery eyeshadow. So, I'm removing the excess translucent powder. And as you can see, wala masyadong effect. Okay, so this is my secret trick. And this really makes a difference sa eyes. And it makes it look so sultry and so sexy in a way. I tight line my waterline with black eyeshadow. And also kinda bring it to the bottom lash line. So, time to line the eyes and girl, wala. Wala talaga day. Wala kang mapapala dyan. So, I'm gonna have to improvise since I don't have eyeliner anymore. I'm going to be using black eyeshadow and applying that on my lash line with an angled brush. So now I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones and also my jawline, my nose line, and my forehead. I just want to share that the best contour I've used or bronzer I've used is the Hoola Benefit bronzer, but I lost it and now it's nowhere to be found. Next is blush, and I'm using this MAC blush that I borrowed from a friend. Ryan, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. At ayan, hindi na natakpan yung pimple ko. And now, I'm going to be highlighting and I'm just putting it on the high points of my face. Now, I'm going to be curling my lashes. And although I do have false eyelashes with me, wala naman akong glue. So, I opted not to use falsies for this look. I just curled my lashes and just put on plain old mascara. And that's okay for me, honestly. And now we're almost done. Just a bit of lipstick. I'm removing the lip balm I put on earlier. And this is my go-to lip shade. It's just the perfect pinkish nude shade for me. And we're done! Ayun, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, but this is how I do my makeup. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed it, and just to let you know, I'm not a professional, so please don't come for me. Ayun. Stay safe and subscribe!